Water and Moon Festival and boat racing is held every year in the Kingdom of Cambodia. For the boat racing, it held for 3 days, from 14, 15, and the first day of the lunar months. For the lanterns, they floated at night. The Moon Festival is to worship to the moon, and it held on the second day only. That is in the middle of the night during the full moon on the 15 days of the lunar months. The celebration is supported by people everywhere and celebrated every year. And it also has the boat racing and the boat rowing for both men and women category. The water festival is also associated with other ceremonies such as floating the lanterns and moon festival. That is a strong reflection of a religious beliefs. On this occasion of water festival, people from provinces and cities bring their boat to race on the Tumle Sap River in front of the Royal Palace in Phnom Penh to win more victories for their respective provinces. The ceremony also features a floating lantern. The meaning of this lantern is to express the remembrance of the merits of the water and the earth, which provide happiness and fruitful work for the daily livelihood of farmers. In addition to the floating lanterns, there was also a spectacular fireworks display, which was attended by a crowd of people and made this event even busier and more festive. In this year 2023, the Water Festival will be held on November the 25th, 26th, and 27th. Congratulations from AII Language Center. Don't forget to join and have fun. Thank you.